this video, we're going to look at the YouTube end screen and the importance in getting you more views. I'm going to fast forward and show an example of my end screen and an example of some other end screens. Right, so you can see some examples of some end screens. Before we get started, if you've stumbled across this channel and you've not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and for some extra appreciation, hit the bell icon, and you'll get notified when I release new videos. I release videos weekly, just like this one, to help businesses, entrepreneurs, individuals just like yourself get online with video. Right, let's get started. The purpose of the end screen is to direct visitors to your videos or website. The end screen lasts for 20 seconds at the end of your videos. Obviously you can have it shorter, but it lasts for 20 seconds. You can add the following elements to the end screen: video or playlist, subscribe, you can add a channel, or links to an approved website. The order in which you place these elements within the grid on the screen is up to you. If you overlap any of the elements, they will go red. It's obviously a good idea to have subscribe, a video, and or playlist in your end screen so the visitors can keep watching more of your content, and also subscribe to your channel. I'm going to jump on a computer and show you how to add the end screen to your videos. Once you're logged in, click on your avatar or profile picture on the top right. Then click on Creator Studio. Next to the video, click Edit and then select End Screen and Annotation. Now we're on the end screen page. Note, end screens and annotations cannot be used on the same page. Also, the end screens are clickable on mobiles and annotations are not. Most searches are done on mobile devices. Also, the fastest growing screen is the TV. The end screen was designed to replace annotations. Once you're on the end screen, you will see that the YouTube automatically sets the last 20 seconds for the end screen elements. If you want a shorter time, you can move the slider. To add elements, click on the blue Add Elements on the right. Then select Video or Playlist, Subscribe, Channel to promote your another channel, or Link. This is a link to an approved website. You must have at least one video or playlist for your end screen to work. Aligning your elements is easy when they snap to the grid. If you can't see the grid, click on View here and make sure all three are checked. If you overlap any elements, they will go red. Once you're happy with where you have added your end screen elements, you can go ahead and press save, and then you can preview your video. When you are uploading a video, you will see the end screen and annotations above your video. Well, that's a simple run through on how to add a very effective part of the video, the end screen. Now, do not discount the end screen for adding more watch time and also keeping people on your page, and also a very easy subscribe button. Well, I hope you found this video interesting and informative. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so I can deliver more videos just like this one to help entrepreneurs, businesses, and individuals just like yourself get online with video. Thanks for watching. Right, so you could see some examples of all right. What can I say? So you could see. The purpose of the end screen is to direct visitors